everybody. I'm Oluduke Angela Odua. I'm sorry I wasn't able to record the video yesterday. So I went for my grandpa's 80th on Monday. So I was not able to. I practically slept in and I was able to record the video. So today I'm going to do everything together. First, I'll start from the correction of Monday's work. So the first question here is 3 over 7 is equals to 9 over what? So the first thing I said we should do is the two numbers that we are given, you divide them. So we have, let's work it on the side. So we have 9 and 3. We say 9 divided by 3, right? That's what? 3. You will ask this 3 now, you have to say 7 times 3. That's what? 21. Now, there's actually another method that you can use. Now, this place that is missing, you represent it as x. Now, you cross multiply. So it will become 3 times x, or if you don't want to represent it, you just say 3 times box is equals to 9 times 7. And you know we're looking for box, right? So you divide both sides by 3 so that it will remain only the what? The box. So 3 here, this, 3 here, this, 3 here, this, 3 here, this. So we have what? No, this 7. Sorry. So 3 here 1 and 3 here 3. So that's 21. So therefore, box is equals to 21. Do you understand that? That's another method. Let me use this another method for number 2. So you cross multiply. This is what we call cross multiplication. You cross multiply. So here will be 6 times box equals to 18 times 1. So we want to get only box remaining. So if you want to get the only box, you divide both sides by 6. This here 1, this here 1. 6 here 1, 6 here 3. So therefore, box is equals to 3. Do you understand? So that's the assignment of yesterday. So we're going to the second one. 80 over 100, the lowest term. So we first cancel out 0. 2 in 8 is what? 4. 2 in 10, 5. So here is 4 over 5. 18 over 27. 3 in 8, 6. 3 in 18, 6. 3 in 27 is what? 9. 3 in 6 is what? 2. And 3 divided by 9 is what? 3. That's 2 over 3. Now 28 over 36. 2 in 28 is what? 14. 2 in 36 is what? 18. 2 in 14 is what? 7. 2 in 18 is what? 9. Some people say, why is she just, why is Auntie just wasting time? You can also divide this straight by 4. So 4 divided by 28 is what? 7. And 4 divided by 36 is what? 9. So that's all on the assignment. Now we're going to basic operations in fraction. Now, if I ask, what are the basic operations in mathematics? Basic operation in mathematics. The basic operation in mathematics. If I ask you that, what are the basic operation in mathematics? Basic operation in mathematics are what? Plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Plus, minus, multiplication, and division. But as you go higher, you see other operations that are necessary in mathematics. But these ones are the basic operations. There's no how you escape mathematics without doing addition, without subtracting, without multiplying, or without dividing. So the first thing we are going to is addition and subtraction of fractions. So addition and subtraction of fraction. So the first example, add 2 over 9 and 3 over 9. So solution, we are to add 2 over 9 and 3 over 9. Now let me tell you one thing in fraction. Fraction is actually very interesting and it has its own rules. Now, for numbers that have the same denominator, now I know I told you in our last video that the denominator is the one down and the numerator is the one up. For numbers that have the same denominator, that's 9, you will add them normally. You this 9 will still be constant. You will not change the denominator. The 9 will still be 9. The denominator is constant. That is, it will not change as long as they are the same. Do you understand me? As long as the denominators are the same, that means your answer too will also have the same denominator. As long as it is 9 and 9, the denominator is 9 and 9, that means your answer too will be what? 9. Do you understand? Now you just say 2 plus 3 is what? 5 over 9. I was teaching a student yesterday and I told him to add 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. And he said 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 is 2 over 6, which is wrong. He added the numerator up, added the denominator down. Most people actually get confused with this, but it is wrong. You can't add the numerator and the denominator together. And what's the difference now? They even have different denominators. The denominator of this one is 2 and the denominator of this one is this one. So you can't add it normally. So let's go to another example. Another example is now this one is on subtraction. We have 13 over 15 minus 2 over 15. Now what did I tell you? I said if they have the same denominator, it will be what? Constant. And what is 13 minus 2? 11. Do we get that? Now we are going to the ones of different denominators. Now this is the one of same denominator. This one is simple. We can't afford to spend much time on it. So the one of different denominators. So we have example. Simplify 5 over 6 plus 3 over 8. So solution. 5 over 6 plus 3 over 8. Now let me tell you the first thing to do when you see a fraction with different denominator. The first thing you do is to find the LCM of the denominator. The what? LCM of the denominator. The LCM of the denominator. So now we have 6 and 8 is the denominator of this fraction. So first thing is what? LCM of 6 and 8. So 6, 8. So what can go in 6 and 8? 2. 2 in 6, 3. And 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. We can go again with 2. 2 again, 3. 3 will remain. Then 4, 2. 2, 3. Then 1. 3 in 3 is what? 1. 1, 1. So let's multiply. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is what? 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. Now 24 is the lowest common multiple. So what do we have now? So 24 is going to be here. 24 is now going to be the denominator here now because 24 is what can divide both 6 and 8. Do you understand that? So now this is how we do it. So 24 divided by 6 is what? That is 4 times 5, 20. Plus 24 divided by 8, that's 3. Times 3 is what? 9. So we have what? 20 plus 9 is what? 29 over 24. Now, what kind of fraction is this, guys? This is an improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. An improper fraction can be converted to what? To mixed fraction. If we change this one to a mixed fraction, it will become what? How many 24 can we see in 29? Just 1. 1. So, since you can see 1, so 29 minus 24 is what? 5. So, we have 1 over 5 over 24. Do you understand that? So, this is all on addition of fractions. So let me do another example. That one will be on multiplication. We have simplify 7 over 10 minus 4 over 15. So this is our solution. 7 over 10 minus 4 over 15. So the first rule is what? Find the what? LCM. Find the LCM. That's the first rule. find the LCM. So if you want to get the LCM of 10 and 15, you go to the back. 10 and 15. So 2 can go in 10, that's 5 and 15. So 3 can go in 15. 3, that's 5 and 5. So 5 divided by 5, 1, 1. So we have 2 times 3 times 5. So 6 times 5, that's what? 30. 30. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is what? 30. That means 30 is the lowest common multiple that can divide both 10 and 15. So 30. 30 divided by 10 is what? 3. Times 7 is what? 21. 30 divided by 15 is what? 2. Times 4, 8. So we have now 21 minus 8 is what? First answer, that's 13 over 30. You understand this now? So this is on the subtraction, and this is, we have done subtraction, we have done the addition. Now this is on proper fractions. Now we are going to mixed fractions, which can also be improper fractions if you convert it. So we are going to addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Now. Of mixed fractions. So we say simplify 6 whole number 5 over 12 minus 3 whole number 3 over 4. Now, the first thing you do, pick the whole numbers. So when you say you have 6 whole number 5 over 12 and 3 whole number 3 over 4, the first thing you do is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is what? We have 3. So now, the next thing we are minusing again is the fraction. That's 5 over 12 minus 3 over 4. We'll find the LCM of the fraction. So we have 12 and 4. So 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 4, 2. 2 again, 2 in 6, 3. And 2 in 2, 1. 3 again, 3, 1, 1. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. And what's this? 4 times 3 is what? 12. The LCM of 12 and 4 is what? 12. Now what is that? 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 12 divided by 4 is what? 3. 3 times 3 is what? 9. And we have 5 minus 9. And you know this is not possible at your level. 5 minus 9 is not possible here. You have to borrow from this 3 here. You borrow from this 3. So when you borrow from the 3, we have, it's just like as if you have 3 on number, 5 minus 9 over 12. Then you minus 1 from here. It will become 2 on number. Now when you minus 1, we are adding 12 again. 12 plus 5 minus 9 over 12. The one that you borrowed from here, you know, when we are dividing a fraction, it is the number of 12s you are seeing in a number that you are writing here. So now we are borrowing 112 from 3. We are borrowing 112. That means we can see 3 12s in this particular number. So we borrowed 112. So this is the 12 that is here. That's why, so it's remaining 2 12s now. So 12 plus 5 minus 9. So we have what? 12 plus 5 is what? 17. Minus 9, that's 8. That's 2 whole number, 8 over 12. I know you can also change this 8 over 12 to a simpler term. So 2 divided by 8 is what? 4. 2 divided by 12 is what? 6. You go again. 2 divided by 4 is what? 2. And 2 divided by 6 is 3. So our answer is what? 2 whole number 2 over 3. So let's digest this one. But we're going to do another example in case you don't understand. We're going to do another example. So simplify 5 whole number 3 over 4 minus 2 whole number 4 over 5. So I said the first thing you do is to minus the what? The whole number. So we have 5 minus 2. That's what? 3. So the next one is what? 3 over 4 minus 4 over 5. That's equals to. Now you get the what? The LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5. So 2 divided by 4, 2. 2 divided by 5, it will remain constant because it cannot divide. Now 2 into is what? 1, then 5 again, then 5, 1, 1. I said you can only stop LCM until you get a, at the end, 1 and 1. That's when you know you are correct. So 2 times 2 is what? 4. Then times 5, that's what? 20. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is what? 20. 20 divided by 4 is what? 5. 5 times 2 is what? 15. 20 divided by 5 is what? 4. 4 times 4, 16. Now what do I say now? And we have a 3 whole number here. So you know it's like 3 whole number 15 minus 16 over 20. Now the first thing I told you that for something like this, since you can't minus, you will borrow 1 from here. So here will be what? 2. And what are we adding here? We are adding 20. Now last time we added 12 because 12 was the what? Denominator. Now we are adding what? 20. So here will be what? 2 whole number, because we have minus 1 from 3. 2 whole number 20 plus 15 minus 16 over 20. So we have 2 whole number. So 20 plus 15, that's what? 35. 35 minus 16 over 20. So that's what? 2 whole number 19 over 20. So you guys should make sure that you copy the notes, write it. The fact that I'm not there to mark it, write it. And I'm going to give you assignments. If you have anything that you don't understand, put it in the comment section. If you have anything that you don't understand, put it in the comment section, and I will explain it to you in the next class. Put it in the comment section. And if you have any suggestion you would like me to make, put it in the comment section. So assignments. Assignment will be so this is the assignment for this class. See you in the next class. Bye.